Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiz Kid. Ready to test your movie knowledge? We'll show you a famous movie screenshot, and you have 5 seconds to guess the movie. Are you ready? 1. This horror film is based on a Stephen King novel. What's it called? It! Nice start! It, 2017, is a spine-chilling remake that made Pennywise the terrifying icon he is today. 2. Here's an intense image of a young man leaping across rooftops, with the city in the background. This mind-bending thriller features dreams within dreams. Can you name it? Inception. Correct. Christopher Nolan's Inception has left audiences questioning reality since 2010. 3. This shot features a familiar, roaring dinosaur in a lush tropical setting. This groundbreaking film from 1993 brings dinosaurs back to life. What's the movie? Jurassic Park! You nailed it! Jurassic Park is a true cinema milestone that redefined special effects in the 90s. 4. Check out this image of a frozen landscape with a lone survivor looking at a crashed spacecraft. This sci-fi drama is about a stranded astronaut who has to survive on Mars. The Martian. Spot on. The Martian, 2015, shows Matt Damon at his best in this survival thriller. 5. Look at this futuristic cityscape with flying cars and a neon glow. This visually stunning film is a sequel to a sci-fi classic. What is it called? Blade Runner 2049. You got it! Blade Runner 2049 is a masterpiece of science fiction, directed by Denis Villeneuve. 6. Check out this image of a masked vigilante standing atop a gothic building. This gritty superhero movie has one of the most iconic villains ever. The Dark Knight. Perfect. Heath Ledger's Joker became legendary in Christopher Nolan's 2008 film. 7. Here's a classic shot of a man walking away from an explosion in slow motion. This post-apocalyptic action movie features high-speed chases and explosive action. Mad Max. Fury Road. Absolutely. Mad Max. Fury Road brought a whole new level of action to the big screen in 2015. Year 8. This shot shows a mysterious ring glowing ominously. This epic fantasy movie features a group of heroes on a quest to destroy a powerful artifact. The Lord of the Rings. The Fellowship of the Ring. Correct. This legendary trilogy began with The Fellowship of the Ring in 2001. Yo 9. Here's a shot of a large cold wall of ice in a dark fantasy world. This fantasy series revolves around political intrigue, dragons, and a battle for the Iron Throne. Game of Thrones! Right on! Game of Thrones has been keeping viewers on the edge of their seats since 2011. 10. Look at this high-speed car chase through a neon-lit city. This action-packed film franchise is all about fast cars, family, and high stakes. Fast and Furious 7. Nailed it. Fast and Furious 7 brought even more speed and thrills in 2015. Alright, you crushed the easy ones. Now it's time to test your true movie knowledge with some tougher questions. (11) Here's a moody shot of a man with a determined look, surrounded by shadowy figures. This film is known for its shocking twist and deep psychological themes. Fight Club. Great job. Fight Club challenges everything you thought you knew about identity and consumerism. (12) This screenshot shows a man in a sleek black suit, dodging bullets in slow motion as the background warps around him. This groundbreaking sci-fi movie made bullet time a thing and had us questioning reality itself. The Matrix. Yes, the Wachowskis' 1999 cult classic changed action cinema forever with its mind-bending visuals and philosophical edge. 13. Take a look at this mysterious figure standing on a mountain with a glowing sword. This fantasy RPG is set in a world full of monsters and political intrigue. The Witcher 3. Nice work. The Witcher 3 is one of the best fantasy RPGs of all time. 14. Check out this classic scene. A large, angry green monster tries to intimidate a little girl with pigtails while standing on top of a mountain of trash. This movie features a giant green creature with an unlikely heart of gold. What's the name of this animated classic? Shrek. Yep, the lovable ogre Shrek, voiced by Mike Myers, has become an icon since its 2001 release. 15. This shot captures a young boy wearing goggles and headphones, sitting in a cluttered room filled with VR gear and tech junk. In this film, people escape reality by entering a massive virtual world filled with pop culture references. Ready Player One. Boom! Directed by Steven Spielberg, this sci-fi adventure dives deep into the OASIS, where gaming, nostalgia, and action collide. 16. In this eerie scene, a group of survivors is huddled in a cold, snow-covered cabin, all looking suspiciously at each other. This suspenseful thriller is all about trust, deception, and survival in a remote location. What's the title? The Thing. Right! John Carpenter's 1982 sci-fi horror movie, The Thing, is a cult classic with a chilling atmosphere. 17. In this intense shot, a woman with a glowing blue face stares fiercely while floating midair, surrounded by swirling elements. This superhero film dives deep into multiversal madness and features some wild magic battles. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. Correct. Sam Raimi's horror-tinged MCU flick takes us on a wild, visually surreal ride through alternate realities. 18. This shot features a man in a red hoodie dancing on a set of grimy outdoor stairs in the middle of a gloomy city. This psychological thriller gives us the origin story of one of the most infamous comic book villains ever. Joker. Spot on. Joaquin Phoenix's haunting performance in Joker, 2019, earned him an Oscar and left audiences stunned. 19. Here we see a teenage boy riding his bike across the suburbs, with a strange glowing creature tucked in the basket. This beloved classic is about friendship, outer space, and a phone home. What's the movie? E.T. the Extraterrestrial. Bingo! Steven Spielberg's heartwarming tale has been making audiences cry happy tears since 1982. This movie is about a dystopian future where gladiatorial-style combat determines the fate of society. Guess the movie. Can you name it? The Hunger Games. Exactly. Jennifer Lawrence stars as Katniss Everdeen in this 2012 film based on the popular book series. Bonus question. Here's a shot from a vibrant and colorful animated film featuring a young fish. This heartwarming Pixar movie takes us on an ocean adventure. Can you name it? Finding Nemo. Yes, Finding Nemo remains one of Pixar's most beloved films. Wow, you're a movie trivia pro. How many did you get right? Share your score and favorite movie in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more movie challenges. See you next time.